last forever, but I know that you've been scarred. There's nothing we can't heal together. You know you got my heart, and I'll never leave. No, nothing can make me go. You're part of me, so I wanna know who hurt you, who made you feel like that. I wanna hurt them back, 'cause I love you. I can't.
Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Lalung vlog. Today I'm traveling with my friend Howard
As always,
and also my friend there Ajay, who also has a YouTube channel. I'll put in the description below. He has a musical, YouTube channel, so you should subscribe to it. And so I'm going to the one of the tallest waterfall in India. So stay tuned to know which place it is.
I climb every mountain, no matter what they put me through. I don't care what happens, and I'll never leave. No, nothing can make me go. You're part.
So the last time I was in this place was during rainy season, so I was unable to trek, and now we are here and we are starting a trek to the place that we came, Meghalaya Falls.
and it's a rock trekking, okay?
Huh?
It's a rock trekking. It's very dangerous, okay?
Hmm?
I see. Yeah. Don't take any call, okay? Because it's very dangerous.
I said, I'm in very dangerous place now.
Oop.
This is my first time here.
Climbing so will be very awesome.
So there are two ways to come and get the view of Meghalaya Falls. This is the one will be going to the top part of the Meghalaya Falls, and the other is we just get a view from the front side of the Meghalaya Falls. And this is the trekking route.
Very.
There are a lot of sands, it's slippery. Shall I take that funny shot?
That look like
Peace, bros.
This was our old recording partner, GoPro. He's almost going to get retired.
Not retired, man. It's self-retiring with me, man. I'll use it. Already? But I like this raw trekking too.
yeah.
No, Larry.
Hmm.
Instead of like that, all the steps and everything, that's not nice anymore.
Hmm.
I think it's good though. At least we'll get the grip now.
Yeah. No, like that raw feeling you get.
Yeah, you see that.
Instead of like,
Oh, I'm loving it, bro. Oh. Woo. Hey, you guys, why so slowly?
you still Jawan too. We are not Jawan anymore.
Come on, man, stop saying that.
We're the Salman Khan of Western.
So normally, when I'm going for any of my travel journey, I normally travel directly after completing my work and my night shift. But today, I had a good rest till 12 o'clock, and since the place is close to my place, Meghalaya Falls, so I started my journey today after 12 only, and right now I'm trekking down all the way to Meghalaya Falls. The weather seems very good right now. There's no rain. It's dry. The sky is clear. The trekking is some kind of challenging one. I hope you all are able to see the trekking route.
Your feet, your face.
So please come sober when you are coming to this place.
Yeah. Please come sober because it's very dangerous.
And when you're coming to this place and you have plans to visit to this side of Meghalaya Falls, please come wearing proper shoe. You know, where it is a proper grip. You don't slip and meet any kind of accident. Because you can see the roads. Going down is fine.
Climbing up will be awesome.
I'm just worried about the climbing up right now. But it's okay. I've been going for cycling these few days. I was prepared. Oh, actually today we were supposed to go to Khadum, right?
Hello guys. Welcome to Mr. Lalung vlog.
Yeah, I already said welcome.
No, I'm just saying like from your behalf. Okay, welcome to Lalung vlog with Howard.
And with Ajay.
Ajay.
Give an introduction of your vlog.
Nice. So subscribe to my channel also. I also have the music videos. So I hope you will see more videos.
Go first that small waterfall. Then we'll go down to
Drone shot.
drone shot.
Okay. Careful guys, careful! First of all, we are going to the other side of the Meghalaya Falls, which is rarely been seen. Woo! Now which side now, Howard? Woo!
The waterfall is that like way so down now?
Yeah, it looks like way so down, yeah.
In the beginning, it was like we were glued to each other, yes we were. And in a room full of people, we lost our sight. We're only us and no others, only us. But as we dove in deep, the water turned cold. Yeah, we have different dreams, so we can never grow. Yeah, as we dove in deep, the water turned cold. 'Cause we have different dreams, so we can never grow. It's sad to know, it's sad to know, it's sad to know that we'll become strangers again, strangers again, strangers again. It's sad to know, it's sad to know, it's sad to know.
So right now, we're just walking around and just exploring the beautiful Meghalaya Falls.
But as we dove in deep, the water turned.
Wow, the place is awesome.
Yeah, we have different dreams, so we can never grow.
Just imagine during rainy season how much water will be here. Huh? This whole, it's like a water is coming. It will be like passing down these rocks, no?
Yeah, these rocks are from the waterfall only.
Mm-hmm.
From the water, no?
I mean, raining time the view will be totally different during rainy season. Right now also it has a different view, right? It's awesome though.
This season you can't come here.
Huh?
The water is so high.
Uh-huh.
The water is so high. Just imagine the water can reach all these rocks now.
Yeah.
Just imagine you are what?
Chalo, let's go there.
Strangers again, strangers again. It's sad to know it's that we'll become strangers again, strangers again, strangers again. Strangers again. It's sad to know that we'll become strangers again, strangers again, strangers again. It's sad to know, it's sad to know that we'll become strangers again, strangers again, strangers again.
The place is so awesome. I have no words to describe the beauty about this place. As we have seen the other side of the Meghalaya Falls, so now we are going towards the main waterfall that which we normally see when we visit Meghalaya Falls and in most of the videos.
Let's go down from here.
So now we are returning back from the fall. We got some very good shots, and this is the hardest part of return of climbing up. For every travel and every fun event, always the returning is the hardest part. But I guess that is the nature's rule, so that we can go to another new place. Obviously, we have to return from this place. The view that we are leaving behind, the beautiful view of Meghalaya Falls during the dry season.